This 5-minute solution will show you how to add someone on Snapchat without saying added by search or username. So the process will be similar for Android and iPhone. Open your Snapchat app, tap on your profile photo at the top left, and here tap on add friends. For example, I want to add this to my friend list. So I'm going to opening the profile, and after opening the specific profile you want to add, you will get here the profile, display name and username. So to add anyone without saying added by username, you have to add the contact using the display name. So note the display name and then tap on back, tap on this search and search for the name. And here search for the specific account you want to add. Tap on add. So all you have to need, just add the contact using the contact display name. So that's how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.